Once a little bird hatched from a egg, but something was different. Its feathers were not same as its mother's. The mother bird was bright blue, but the baby bird was golden yellow. Other birds decided to leave the yellow bird behind. All alone and lonely, tiny bird wandered, taking small steps on a long forest path. The little birds slowly began to grow, day by day. Its feathers shone brighter. Soon it became a turning bird, with feathers growing like a pure gold. All of the animals in the forest were amazed. They had never seen such a bird before. Moral of the story: and never judge someone by how they look on outside. True words shine with